Thank you for using DocPro. This video will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a document on DocPro. Before we start, please make sure you have completed your registration details by going to My Account, then My Profile to fill in the details using your personal and business information. The information you have provided will be used to autofill documents during the customization process. Finding documents. Type the document you are looking for in the search box at the top of the page. For example, if you type in the word joint venture, a list of documents relating to joint ventures will appear. After finding the relevant document, click on the document you want and you will be directed to the relevant page. For other ways to find documents, please refer to our other video linked below on how to find documents on DocPro. Customizing documents. You can read the summary description of the document on the document page. If this is the right document for you, click Create a Document to start customizing it. You can review the template document on the right-hand side. If you have already signed in, you can use the autofill functions to fill in the details of each party for single-party documents, such as letters. The documents will also be automatically filled with your registered information as you fill in the details. You can use your personal or business information that you have previously registered with DocPro by clicking the buttons called Fill using Members Information. Please select the appropriate button to enter your information easily. For multi-party documents, you will also be asked to complete the details for each party. As you fill in your document, there may be other questions that are relevant to customizing the document, so please do respond to each question in order to customize the document. You can also go back and forth between the questions by clicking the previous and next buttons. Alternatively, you can choose to skip all the questions and get a blank document ready for download within minutes. Getting the customized document. Once you have completed all the necessary questions, select Get Document to finish creating your documents. If you have not yet signed up, please do so. Your document will be automatically downloaded as a Word document and saved to your account under the list of My Templates. You can make further edits and download the document again at any time. Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video helpful.